Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $4,250, Farmington, New Mexico. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed is an original shortbed square body powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 with a 350 automatic transmission. With 85,000 miles, it runs and drives and carries a clean title. The cab is in good condition, but needs front fenders and doors. Equipped with tilt steering and finished in blue, this is a solid project truck. Original shortbed C10 models remain highly desirable due to their proportions and strong collector demand. Number 2. 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special, $1,500, Santa Maria, California. Offered at $1,500, this 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special has been family-owned since new and shows 169,435 miles. It is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with a C6 automatic transmission. The engine ran well on its last trip but leaks oil. The frame is reportedly solid, though the body is very rusty. Factory dual tanks and front disc brakes add value. A very affordable restoration candidate with a clean title. Number 3. 1981 Ford F150 Long Wheelbase, 1900 as Bruceville, Texas. This genuine Texas farm truck is powered by a straight 6 engine with a manual 4-speed transmission. It is described as rust-free and structurally sound. The carburetor needs to be reinstalled, but the engine and transmission are strong. Priced at $1,900 with a clean title, it offers solid potential as a light restoration or usable classic pickup. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet C10, $4,000, Fernley, Nevada. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 features a semi-built motor and numerous upgrades, including a new torque converter, 4.10 positraction rear end, radiator, electric fans, and stainless exhaust. It has 240,000 miles and a clean Nevada title. Square-body Chevrolet trucks remain collectible, and this example benefits from significant mechanical investment. Number 5. 1988 Ford Ranger GT Longbed, $3,400, McKinney, Texas. This all-original 1988 Ford Ranger GT Longbed shows 92,000 miles and is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. It has a clean title and is largely rust-free. It runs in yard drives with a strong interior and solid body. With basic servicing, it could return to reliable daily use. An increasingly rare survivor compact truck. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado CK1500 Shortbed, $6,000, Stockton, California. This 1989 Chevrolet Silverado Shortbed features a new engine and 300,000 miles on the chassis. Powered by a V8 with automatic transmission, it retains classic square body styling. With a clean title and strong running condition, it represents a usable and appreciating late-era Chevrolet pickup. Number 7. 1991 Nissan truck, $750, Placerville, California. Priced at just $750, this 1991 Nissan pickup runs and drives and has 124,000 miles with a manual transmission. It includes new tires and a clean title. The interior is rough and needs attention, but these trucks are known for reliability. A very affordable entry-level classic. Number 8. 1984 GMC 3500 Camper Special Dually, $7,500, Kingsland, Texas. This 1-ton 1984 GMC 3500 Dually has 89,000 miles and is powered by a 350 cubic-inch crate engine with a turbo hydromatic 400 transmission. Recent service includes brakes and steering work. Despite cosmetic wear, it runs strong and is well suited for towing. Clean title and solid mechanical condition. Number 9. 1986 Nissan D21 Hardbody King Cab, $8,000, Anderson, California. This 1986 Nissan D21 four-wheel drive has 109,691 miles and a manual transmission. Extensive recent mechanical work includes suspension rebuild, cylinder head service, cooling system overhaul, and fluid changes. Very clean with no rust and current registration through January 2027. A well-maintained and highly desirable classic compact four-wheel drive. Number 10. 1983 Ford F150 XLT Shortbed, $6,900, Santan Valley, Arizona. This all-original 1983 Ford F150 XLT Shortbed is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 with automatic transmission and shows 147,000 miles. It runs and drives well, but may need carburetor tuning. Southwestern trucks like this are popular due to minimal rust and strong collector interest. Number 11. 1985 Chevrolet 2.5-ton log truck, $6,500, West Plains, Missouri. This 1985 Chevrolet 2.5-ton log truck features a V8 engine and manual transmission with 158,000 miles. It includes a side loader and has been well maintained. A solid example of a heavy-duty commercial Chevrolet truck, appealing to collectors or specialty use buyers. Number 12. 1986 Chevrolet K10 Factory Short Box, $8,500, Medford, Oregon. This 1986 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive has only 40,000 miles and features a rare factory short box configuration. It includes a turbo hydromatic 400 transmission, 208 transfer case, dual saddle tanks, and a recently installed Phytech fuel injection system on its 327 cubic-inch engine. Very straight and rust-free with a clean title. A highly desirable square-body four-wheel drive located in Klamath Falls, Oregon.